Mira qué estampa más bonita.
Es una nevada buena,
Es que es bonito el espolón, así cuando nieva.
Si sigue así un rato, se hace capita de nieve.
Sí, porque, hombre...
Heavy snowfall continued to affect extensive areas of Spain on Friday, intensifying disruption to transportation, public services and daily life, as winter conditions spread across northern, northwestern and inland regions.
Aquí yo en el cristal ya tengo nieve. Y wow, ¿cómo? Sí que cae, sí. ¿A ver la rotonda? Oh. Sí se nota.
Spain's National Meteorological Agency reported that snowfall reached unusually low elevations, with snow levels dropping to between 300 and 500 meters above sea level in several regions. As a result, snow accumulated not only in mountainous zones but also across inland provinces and urban areas that do not typically experience prolonged winter snowfall. Persistent snow was observed across Galicia, Cantabria, and much of Castile and Leon, where freezing temperatures contributed to the rapid formation of ice on roads and pavements. In Salamanca province, snowfall was reported throughout the day, leading to snow-covered streets, reduced visibility, and hazardous driving conditions. Local authorities confirmed that a number of secondary and rural roads were temporarily closed, while others required the use of snow chains due to ice accumulation. Emergency crews were deployed to maintain access to smaller communities and to assist motorists stranded on snow-affected route. Residents were advised to limit travel and to prepare for extended cold conditions overnight. Local authorities issued nationwide travel advisories, urging drivers to avoid non-essential journeys as conditions deteriorated. Across the national road network, multiple highways experienced traffic congestion, lane restrictions and temporary closures, particularly in northern and inland regions. Heavy goods vehicles were among the most affected, with lorries halted on key transport corridors due to unsafe road surfaces. Authorities warned that drifting snow and rapidly freezing temperatures could further complicate travel, especially during night and early morning hours. Emergency services across several autonomous communities were placed on heightened alert as snowfall persisted. Regional governments activated winter emergency response protocols, mobilizing snowploughs, road salting vehicles and rescue teams to protect critical infrastructure and maintain transport links.
Situación actual en Navacerrada Pueblo. Increíble.
In Castile and Leon, authorities coordinated efforts to ensure access to hospitals, emergency facilities and essential services, while monitoring vulnerable rural populations exposed to prolonged cold and isolation. Public transportation systems were also affected by the severe weather. Bus services in parts of northern and inland Spain reported delays and route suspensions, particularly on intercity and rural lines. Some regional rail services experienced operational disruptions due to snow-covered tracks and precautionary speed restrictions. Municipal governments issued advisories regarding possible changes to school transportation and public service schedules, citing safety concerns linked to icy conditions and limited road accessibility. Meteorologists warned that cold air remains entrenched across much of the country, increasing the likelihood of further snowfall and persistent freezing temperatures over the coming days. Authorities highlighted the heightened risk of black ice, particularly on untreated roads, bridges and shaded areas, posing additional dangers to motorists and pedestrians alike. Forecasts indicate that overnight temperatures in inland regions could remain well below freezing, prolonging hazardous conditions even where snowfall eases. Authorities stated that the evolving situation continues to place significant pressure on emergency response systems and transport infrastructure. Residents and travelers in affected regions were urged to closely follow official guidance, remain informed through updates from meteorological and traffic authorities, and exercise extreme caution when traveling. Monitoring and response operations remain ongoing as Spain continues to contend with one of the most disruptive winter weather episodes of the season.